In 1989, Systems Plus Computer Institute was established in Quezon City as the second branch of Systems Plus Computer College Foundation, Incorporated. 1995 bachelor degree was created. The school was renamed Systems Plus Computer College in preparation in becoming a four-level education institution. This was the school's contribution to the increasing global demand for IT professionals. In 1998 expansion, the marked increase in enrollment brought with it the need for additional faculties, instructors, professors, and practitioners in various disciplines. During this year, the construction for the RBJ building started as part of the expansion program. 2001. Service courses. Aside from computer-related programs, hotel and restaurant service courses and business programs were also offered during this year. The senior high school department was opened. Systems Plus Computer College started accommodating its pioneer senior high school students. The school started to offer academic strands. 2018, the inauguration of the newly renovated building was celebrated. This was also the year which marked the graduation of the school's first batch of senior high school students. To adapt, the school strives to impart a well-rounded education by providing alternative ways of learning to students. Due to the pandemic, the school changed their curriculum delivery to flexible learning to adapt to the current situation. The school provided to learning modalities to Dell. 2021, newly renovated RVJ building this year. The newly renovated RVJ building was inaugurated and partnered with the British Council IELTS. Learning and growth, we value and innovation, and are proud of our work and put in the time and effort to succeed. Empowerment and innovation, we trust our students. To make a difference, we empower them to take ownership, to be innovative, and drive results, knowing that they have the skills, knowledge, and expertise to succeed. Student focus, we're all about students. We put them at the center of everything do, and we're committed to providing them with exceptional service, support, and satisfaction. Future projects. To establish an organization for IT department will apply Spcc. Student improvement. To further develop when it comes to web development and advanced technology. Provides the needs of the students to produce a quality output. Collaboration. Improve different characteristics to become a professional one. Seminars and training. We are dedicated to maximize the growth and excellence of our students, and to that end, we are proud to offer a comprehensive of free seminars and training sessions designed to further develop their skills, expand their knowledge,
Umiilaw na.
Yun o, ganun yan.
Yun o.
So, kailangan dito.
Parang ko na, ulo. Pupo na.
Parang.
Program na lang.
Uy, program na lang pala.
Man, sumama ng ano, history.